Hi there, welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. Today we will introduce you to a powerful new feature. You can now edit parent fields directly on your grid. No need to open a separate record or navigate away. Let's see how it works. In this example, we're using a field set grid to the state cases along with fields from their related accounts, the parent's objects. By default, when we click Edit, you'll notice fields like account type and account industry are read-only. That's because they belong to the parent's accounts. Let's enable editing for them. Click on Edit Page to open the App Builder. Select your grid component, and in the right-hand panel, scroll down to find Enable Parents Field Editing. Simply check the box. Click Save, and head back to your grid. Now, when you click Edit, those account fields become fully editable. Make your changes. Once you've completed your updates, be sure to click Save. And just like that, the data updates instantly, all without leaving the grid. Thank you for watching.